Anthropic just changed what it means to hand work off to AI, and most people are going to miss why this matters. Claude Cowork is now on mobile and on the web, which means you can hand Claude a task at your desk, walk away, close your laptop completely, and Claude just keeps working anyway. No laptop open, no browser tab sitting there, nothing. You pick up the finished result later on your phone. And the numbers behind this update are the part that actually surprised me, so let's get into it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Anthropic sampled over 1 million cowork sessions from more than 600,000 organizations over a 2-week window in May. And here's the part that should stop you. More than 90% of that usage had nothing to do with writing code. Most of it was regular work, reports, spreadsheets, client decks. The single biggest category, just over a third of all usage, was people asking Claude to pull scattered updates into one report, build onboarding checklists, and reconcile messy spreadsheets. That's not a coder's job. That's basically everyone's job. Think about that for a second. This tool got built around coding, and now the majority of people using it aren't writing a single line of code with it. They're using it the same way you'd use a really good assistant, someone you hand a messy pile of information to and trust to bring back something clean. Cowork started as a desktop-only app back in January. Back then, it needed your laptop open the entire time a task ran, shut the lid, and the task died with it. Now, it doesn't. Cowork runs remotely on Anthropic's own servers, so your session and your files live with your account instead of staying tied to your machine. You can start something at your desk in the morning and check on it from your phone at lunch. Before, Cowork was like a worker chained to a single desk. The second you left the office, the worker stopped too. Now that worker has a phone in their pocket. It can reach you when it hits a decision only you can make, and it keeps moving on everything else in the meantime. That's the whole shift here. It's not a smarter model doing this. It's a model that finally doesn't need you sitting next to it the whole time. This is where it gets really useful. Anthropic gave an example of setting client prep for 6 in the morning. Claude works through the email threads, digs through call transcripts, checks recent news, builds the full briefing document, and even drafts the follow-up email. It doesn't send it though, it waits for you. You wake up, grab your coffee, and the decision is already sitting there, ready for a simple yes or no. Picture that for someone running any kind of small business or coaching group. You could schedule Claude to check overnight for new sign up questions, pull together a short welcome message draft, and have it sitting there waiting by 6 a.m. No laptop needed, no sitting there refreshing an inbox at midnight, or think about something even simpler, a weekly call transcript. You could hand Claude the recording and ask it to pull out every question that came up, group them by topic, and draft short answers for the ones that repeat the most. You start that from your desk in the morning, and by the time you check your phone at lunch, there's a clean summary waiting for you. No laptop required at any point in between. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Desktop is still the deepest version of Cowork. On your computer, Claude can reach your local files and use your browser directly. That's still the full experience. But the web and mobile version opens the door to people who never installed the desktop app in the first place. You don't need to be technical, you don't need to know what a terminal is. You open the app on your phone, you type what you want done, and it starts. Right now, this is rolling out first to Max Plan users, with other plans following over the coming weeks, and Anthropic also doubled the usage limits for Cowork through August 5th. So anyone testing it right now has plenty of room to try bigger tasks. I want to be straight with you here because I always try to be. Not every task is ready to run fully unsupervised yet. Some capabilities, like reaching your local files or using a browser, still need the desktop app open on your computer even when the session is technically running remotely. So if your task depends on files sitting on your laptop, that laptop still needs to be open somewhere. This isn't magic yet. It's a real step forward, not a finished product, and I think it's worth saying that clearly instead of pretending it does everything already. TechCrunch pointed out something sharp about this move, that it isn't just a feature update, it's a signal Anthropic wants Cowork to feel less like a coding tool and more like an actual agentic co-worker, one that works in the background, follows you across devices, and only asks for your input when a decision truly needs a human. TechCrunch also noted OpenAI has made a similar move with Codex, a tool that started as a coding assistant and is increasingly being used by non-developers for reports, spreadsheets, presentations, and research. The direction is the same everywhere you look right now. Agents built for coders are turning into agents built for everyone, and that's a much bigger shift than it sounds like on the surface. Anthropic has also said chat and Cowork are getting merged into one shared home on the web soon, so there won't even be a separate app or a separate tab to remember. Fewer barriers between having an idea and having Claude actually go execute it, no matter what device happens to be in your hand when that idea hits you. So here's my honest take on what you should do with this today. Don't try to automate your entire operation on day one. That's the mistake most people make with tools like this. Start with one repeatable task, something you already do every single week without thinking about it. Pick the report you dread writing, the checklist you rebuild from scratch every Monday, the summary nobody wants to type up. Hand that one thing off to Claude Cowork first and build from there once it's actually working for you. 20 minutes today setting up one scheduled task could save you real hours every single week going forward. And that's not an exaggeration, that's just what happens when you stop doing repetitive work by hand. Here's the human part of this, because I think it matters more than the feature itself. A lot of people hear AI agent working while you sleep and they feel uneasy about it, like they're being replaced by something they don't control. I get why that feeling comes up, but what Anthropic's own data actually shows is that the biggest use case isn't replacing anyone's job, it's taking the parts of every job that nobody wanted in the first place. The reconciling, the reformatting, the chasing down updates from 5 different people. The work that's left for you after that is the work that actually needed a human being all along. Your work doesn't wait for your laptop anymore, and honestly, neither should you. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.